In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Gumroad. Gumroad makes landing pages simple by creating one for every product you add. Each product automatically gets a public page with its own unique URL, so you always have a link you can share. To set this up, start by adding your product details. Give your product a clear, specific title that tells people exactly what they're getting. Upload a high-quality cover image that looks great in both light and dark modes, and add supporting visuals like screenshots, mock-ups, or short clips to show the product in context. Write a concise description that focuses on benefits and outcomes, not just features, and include any key details a buyer needs before they purchase. Set your price, then preview to make sure everything looks right. When you're happy, publish the product. Gumroad immediately generates the public landing page. Copy that unique link and share it with your audience, on social platforms, in your newsletter, or anywhere you engage your community. This single page becomes a focused place where people can learn about your offer and buy in just a few clicks. You can also build a broader landing experience by customizing your Gumroad profile. Log in, click Settings, and open your profile. Here, upload a profile photo that represents your brand and write a short bio that explains who you help and how. Choose fonts and colors that match your visual identity so your page feels cohesive with the rest of your presence online. Next, use text and headline sections to introduce your brand story and guide visitors. Start with a strong headline that captures your core promise, then add brief text sections that highlight your main products, audiences, or use cases. Place your best visuals alongside these sections to keep the page scannable. With multiple sections, your profile becomes a mini website that points visitors to the right product pages. Each product card links back to its own dedicated landing page, so shoppers can dive deeper and purchase when they're ready. To recap, create or update a product with a title, cover image, description, price, and visuals, publish it, and share the unique link. Then refine your profile with a photo, bio, brand fonts and colors, and clear text and headline sections. Together, your product pages and profile give you a clean, effective landing page system on Gumroad.